Hey guys, I have some digital Christmas invitation templates to share with you guys today. They are completely free. You can edit them, download them, send them to your friends and family for free. So I have 3 options here on my website, Cohines Crossing, and you can find it under the invitations, or right now as of recording, it's on the main screen. So I will show you each of them really quick so you can see a preview of what they look like because they are animated if you want them to be. They don't have to be. I will show you how to download them. We'll start with this one. You'll come down here and you'll just download with this button, and then you will get a PDF that looks like this. And you'll get one for each of them. Okay, and when you click on these links here in the PDFs, it'll take you right to the Canva templates. So when you open it, I'll show you here, I'll refresh it. It will open a screen like this, or like this, or like this. We'll just do this one to start with. We'll go to View Template. And Canva does have a free version, and you only need the free version. I make sure that all of my templates use free elements. So you'll just go to Open in Editor, and there are 2 slides so that when you put them together, they make the animation. So I'll show you the preview here. There's the first slide, and then it will transition into the details of the party. And you can change the timing of each of the slides if you want right here, 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Sometimes I like to make this one a little quicker so that people know that something else is coming, and then make this one a little longer. So you'll just enter your details here, change it, enter in all of the details. You can change the colors if you want to. You can change any of the elements. You can change the fonts if you want to. And then what you do is you go up here to share. And if you want the animated version, you'll go to download and then keep it here on the MP4 video, and it will do that animated video that we saw. If you want to send it as 2 slides, or say you just want to send 2 images, then you go to the JPEG or PNG, and then when you download it, then you just attach that to a text message or an email or social media message or post. I'll show you the other ones here really quick so you can see previews of each of the cards. Okay, there's the preview for this one. Again, it's 2 slides. And then we will do this one, and editing and everything works the same for all 3 of these. It works the same for all of my digital templates. I have cards, birthday cards, Christmas cards. I'll show you this one. And you can change the colors, you can change the elements here, so you can put in different illustrations if you want. You can change anything about it. So let me know if you have any questions about how these cards work. Also, head over to the rest of my website here under digital cards, and you'll see all of them so far. I have party invitations, just general party, cozy party, Christmas party, and then I have just happy birthday cards that you can send to people, Christmas cards, empowerment cards. I'm making more each day, so let me know if there's any specific ones that you would like to see here, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.